Okay, guys, here's part 2 of the video, and we're going to talk about mixed numbers now and how to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. A mixed number is simply a number that has a whole number and a fraction. Okay, so in order to change these into improper fractions, this is how we would have to do this. Let's use our example of 2 3/8. Okay, you take your denominator, multiply it by your whole number, and then add your numerator to get your new numerator on top for your improper fraction. So 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 gives us 19 over 8. Okay, so now we've changed 2 3/8 into the improper fraction 19 over 8. Okay, let's practice several more together here. So if we have 4 3/7, okay, so we'd have to multiply 7 times 4, which would give us 28, plus our 3 gives you 31 over, your denominator always stays the same, 7. Okay, and this works no matter how big your numbers get. Let's say we had 103/4, and we want to change this into an improper fraction. Okay, some of you might look at this and be like, wow, that's a huge number. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. You follow the same rules. So 4 times 100 would give you 400, plus 3, you're going to have 403 over 4. Okay? Most of the ones you're going to see are going to be fairly simple, where you'll have numbers like 7 1/2. Okay, so then you multiply 2 times 7 and get 14, plus your 1 to get 15 for your numerator, and your denominator stays the same at 2. Now, let's show how this is interchangeable, and mixed numbers and improper fractions, you can change them back and forth. Okay, so let's start with our first example, 2 3/8. We got 19 over 8. And I'm going to change it back into a mixed number just to make sure that we did our work correct. 8 goes into 19 how many times? 2. And there are 3 left over because 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 would give you 19. And then your denominator stays the same as 8. Okay? I'm going to also link some math antics videos to this as well, that will help you as well. Remember, if you are struggling with this, to please log on to our group chats between 10:30 and 11:30 or 1 and 2, and we can go over more problems.